Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to save Word document to desktop step by step. Let's get started. First we will open our Microsoft Word. Then we will go to the file menu and click save as option. Then click browse and click the desktop option. Then choose a file name or write. Then click save. Then minimize our Word document to see the saved document. This is our Word document. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.